In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a mitered granny square. And this is where your beginning of circle is, and you work out doing two sides. So let's get started. What I'm going to do is I do a slip knot. You use the slip knot you prefer, but this is how I do mine, and I do count my slip knot as a chain stitch. If you do a different slip knot and pull it tight, then don't count it as a chain stitch. So this is how I do it. I go behind the working yarn, do a 180-degree turn, hold on to that twist, yarn over and pull through, flip it over. That's my slip knot and my first chain. So to do the center, to the beginning circle of this, you do 3 chains. So do 2 more. And then I'm going to slip stitch into my first chain by going into that little loop that's a twist there and make a slip stitch. And that's the hole I'm going to be working into. Alright, now we're going to chain 3. That'll count as a double crochet. Then we're going to do 2 more double crochet in that same chain 3 circle, and chain 2, and then 3 more double crochet in that same circle. Then I'm going to chain 4 and turn, because this chain 3 will be as a double crochet, and then the 1 is going to be your chain 1 space. So I'm going to turn, and I'm going to make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet in that corner hole. So 1, yarn over, insert your hook, draw up a loop, draw through 2, draw through 2. That's 2. Chain 2, 3 more double crochet in that same stitch, so chain space rather. Okay, then we're going to chain 1, and then we're going to double crochet in that last double crochet, which is the top of that chain 3 we started with. So we're going to go, I'm going to go under that bump on the back of the chain and this one that crosses over it, and I hook my hook this away to catch up under there. This makes it easier to insert the hook. Then I draw up a loop and complete my double crochet. You can already see the mitered square forming. I'll do another row to show you. Here we're going to chain 3 this time. When there's a hole here, you chain 3 and turn, and then you work 2 double crochet in that first hole, because that turning chain makes it look like 3 double crochet. Then we're going to chain 1. Now some people, when they make granny squares, don't chain 1 between them, so if you don't, then don't. Whatever works for you. Okay, then we'll do a corner in the corner, which is 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, 3. Looks like I'm getting some hair crocheted in here. Chain 2, 1, 2, 3. That's that corner. And then we're going to chain 1, and then I'm going to skip over to this chain space. I'm going to put 2 double crochet in the hole and then 1 in that 3rd chain. and remember there's 4 chains here, so 2 double crochet, and then I'm going to count the third, so counting these bumps, 1, 2, 3, then make my double crochet under that third bump, just like so. Okay, now the next row, since it's a shell here on the end, I'm going to chain 4 because I need to make a space above it. That's your double crochet and then a chain 1. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then turn, because we're going to skip across to the space and make 3 double crochet in that space. Then chain 1. Do our corner, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet in the next space. Now I don't have any spaces left, so I'm going to chain 1 and double crochet in the top of the turning chain 3. And that is a mitered granny square. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. For more tutorials, tips, and free crochet patterns, crochet alongs, visit my channel on YouTube, Beth in Texas 1. Happy crocheting!